Have you seen steam coming out of your solar water heater air vent pipe and wondered about the reason? Air vents are provided to maintain the level of water same as that of cold water tank. Air vent serves another purpose of letting out extra pressure created in solar tank in the form of hot air. Suppose we do not use the hot water for many days, and water keeps heating up daily. The temperature increases. As there is no usage, the temperature of water inside the solar tank goes to boiling point. There is pressure built up inside the solar tank and the hot water raises through the air vent outlet, which is the only escape route. Initially it evaporates in the form of steam. As more and more pressure builds up. Now, air vent is the only outlet to release the pressure built up in the solar water heater. Steam increases and continuously keeps coming out of air vent. After reaching certain high temperature, the water itself is emitted through the air vent as droplets, and these very hot droplets fall on the surrounding area. Due to this high temperature, the air vent pipe gets damaged and bends. The outlet pipes running the hot water will also get damaged, something like the bending or deforming of the pipes. All plumbing points are affected, and too high temperature for long time is not good for the solar hot water storage tank also. To avoid such conditions, always cover the solar collector or glass tube parts when you are not going to use the hot water for many days. This covering can be cloth or any material that can just form a shade on the collector so that water does not heat up. Remember, thermal renewable energy keeps generating energy irrespective of you use it or not. Thank you.